I grew up in a small town, Dawson, Georgia. And as I walk the streets and think back on my childhood, I realize it's not the city or the size of the city, it's the people that make it great. The city of Dawson has great people, and those are the same people that make this country great. You know, there's not a lot of places you can go and eat the food that's literally right out of the ground. Well, when you go to Mark's Melon Patch, or the Pumpkin Patch as it's sometimes known, that's exactly what you can do. You know, one of the things I love about Albany and South Georgia is the history with music. I mean, Georgia, I mean, who doesn't love that? Ray Charles. People that come into my office aren't much different than me. My mother was a school teacher in the Terrell County school system for 36 years, teaching at Carver Elementary. My father was a farmer and then became an auctioneer. Nothing means more to me than sitting down in my office with a new client, and then one of the things they ask me is, was Miss Durham your mother? And I say, yes, she was, and for them to tell me what a tough teacher she was, but as they've gotten older, how much they appreciated it. I guess you could say I got my toughness from my mom and my work ethic from my dad. Sometimes I get my best ideas and my best thoughts when I'm riding the roads of South Georgia with my little dog Carly by my side, talking to her about the case and seeing what she thinks about my closing argument. I love the practice of law, and outside the practice of law, I have three other true passions. That's my family, football, and my faith. And that's Georgia football, by the way. Nothing excites me more than winning a case for someone. I look at myself like Kirby Smart in the SEC championship game when he's streaking down the sideline when DeAndre Swift broke that long run. That's the way I feel. Life changes on a dime, and I personally understand that. I'm the father of a disabled child. My son's name is Joseph, and he's disabled because of a mistake someone made. A nurse that I trusted. When someone experiences a catastrophic event, it's usually the first time they've ever had anything like that happen. And quite frankly, a lot of times they don't know what the hell to do. I deal with that every day, and people need a lawyer that understands those sort of events. I'm not in the courtroom every day, and I certainly don't spend every day behind a desk. There are a lot of days I'm either in a field or in a chicken plant somewhere. I'm doing whatever it takes to make my client's life easier. I know that when something happens to me, I want to talk to someone that's going to listen, and you should do the same.